Walaikum Assalam, Rahmatullah.
Weil ich so gerne Ihnen hören tun, was Sie mit den Leuten so gut unterhalten könnten. Und das gefällt mir und dafür komme ich ewig gerne mit zu meiner Freundin mit hierher. Aber es sehr gefallen tut es mir alles sehr gut. Ne? Ich möchte gerne in euer Mitglied eintreten wollen.
Sie sagt, she's saying that she loves to come here.
A bit loudly.
She loves it to come again and again here because she's enjoying the way Hazur is addressing the people and how he's talking to the people, and she has a lot of friends and she wants to enter into the fold of Ahmadiyyat.
I'm so glad to meet you, my dear lady. You're a very generous lady and a true lady. You belong to this area and you welcome us on behalf of the people of this area. And this is exactly what I was telling a friend of mine from Pakistan. I said, you people do not understand the German temperament. I know it much better than you do. You think the Germans are very stiff and cold people and they hate all the non-Germans, etc. I said, this is absolutely wrong. They are human people. They are true and honest. If they meet true, honest people who have the spirit of service of mankind, without fail they fall in love with such people. And they like them. And this is the German magnanimity. You must understand it. And today you have shown me the proof of what I was telling this gentleman from Pakistan. Thank you so much. Allah bless you. And Allah bless the whole area which has welcomed us and offered their hospitality to this poor, humble Jamaat of God. Thank you. Please.
I will give her the explanation later on also.
Okay. You will explain to her later on?
Because everybody has received the translation.
The translation, tell her at least that the translation of what I have been telling her has already been made in German language. So instead of repeating this to you now, he will explain this thing to you later on. The rest of the Germans understand what I said.
Ich wollte Ihnen noch was sagen.
You just want to add a small thing.
Ich wollte Ihnen noch was sagen, weil Sie immer, wenn Sie sprechen tun, dann meine ich immer, bei Ihnen wäre der Gott in dem Mund drin. Und das wünsche ich Ihnen.
She want to say,
yes. Please.
She's saying she always has a feeling that God is in your mouth.
That is the meaning. It's a compliment in the sense that I do not speak from myself.
God is speaking out of your mouth.
Right. She wants to tell me that throughout she has the feeling that I was true. Whatever I said was according to the wish and will of Allah. Allah bless you for this. And I am so grateful to you for this kindness and generosity and expression of truth. This is right. Thank you. Allah bless you.
Germany.
You see, something very interesting happened in Cologne recently. You remember that? When after my question answer session, a lady wanted to speak to me specifically on something, but privately. So I'm not going to disclose her name. But what she said was so amazing that I was overwhelmed. She was an educated lady, well-to-do lady, and she told me that long before, while she was remembering God, she said although she is a Catholic in name, but she used to get up at night and just contemplate on the memory of God and love of Him. When suddenly she saw a vision, in which a man appeared before him. And it was certainly not Jesus Christ. But that man impressed her so much with truth which he oozed, which, eked out of him, that she started searching for him. She said she went to Turkey, she visited different countries of the world and met so many people and inquired from them if they had known anything like this. Could I be ever led to that man whom I saw in my vision? And she said, imagine my delight and my surprise when I came to this question-answer session, that man, you were sitting before me, whom I had seen long ago in that vision, and you were exactly the same person.